Hi friends, welcome to Bella Stitchery. Today we're going to do another fast craft scrapbook layout. Today I'm using the Pretty Mosaic line from Prima Marketing. All the flowers are also from Prima Marketing, but I wanted to first show you the collection because I just kind of ripped into it myself and I love looking at paper. So let's journey this beautiful paper collection together. This is beautiful. Look at the color in this. Is amazing. I wish I had a better word. Look at the back. Is this pretty fuchsia, kind of old wall looking style? Look at this. How pretty is this paper? And I love this too. I love things that are subtle enough for me to build on top of without it being like super distracting. And then this is kind of like a broken china look. Look at that. See, like plates and cups. Love it. And then the back is this really beautiful green, kind of sage green color. Then bees and flowers. Love that too. I would totally use that as wallpaper. And the back of that one is the base for what I'll be using today in the video. Look at, isn't that pretty? Kind of a coral, like a soft coral pink. I'll have a link to this paper collection in my description, so check that out if you like it too. Look at this. Another pretty, like, kind of Spanish tile, reminds me of a really fancy kitchen. And look at these. I used some of these too in the layout, you'll see. I just cut them apart. They're not die cuts, so if you want to use this background page instead, you're not going to have like die cut patterns from the page in front of it. And look at this one. Friends, look at this. How gorgeous is that? And what an easy page to make a layout. Throw a doily on here, a pretty, matted area, and you're pretty much done. And then the back is also gorgeous. It's almost like a wood grain with the soft white paint. So that's this collection. Love it. This has 5 sheets of each design. 30 sheets total in the stack. Okay, now let me show you what we're gonna make today. Ta-da! Just finished it, if you can't tell. This is after scrubbing my hands, by the way. You should have seen it before. But another lesson I learned, scrapbook tips 131. When working with wet paint, you will inevitably drop everything face down in said wet paint, which you can see in my video. I dropped chipboard in there, I dropped a flower upside down, the lace, it all went in the paint. So the nice thing about a shabby chic grunge style, it just makes it better. So that happened, and you'll see that at 2 times speed. But here I cut out, see, from that sheet I was telling you about, kind of ripped those out, put some lace, pretty brick. Oh, look, see, more stuff went into my paint. Some pretty brick stencil here, gesso paint. I just love it. I love how soft everything looks, and the different layers of texture is kind of, that's all my jam right there. So I'll put links to all of these things if you like it. Drop me a comment below with your feedback. If you have any questions, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. Check it out and try it out. Let's make some stuff.